The Museum of Contemporary Art Australia, formerly the Museum of Contemporary Art, Sydney, is located on George Street in the Rocks neighbourhood of Sydney. The museum is housed in the Strip Classical, Art Deco-styled former Maritime Services Board building on the western side of Circular Quay. A modern wing was added in 2012. While the museum as an institution was established in 1991, its roots go back a half-century earlier. Expatriate Australian artist J.W. Power provided for a museum of contemporary art to be established in Sydney in his 1943 will, bequeathing both money and works from his collection to the University of Sydney, his alma mater. The works, along with others acquired with the money, were exhibited mainly as a traveling collection in the decades afterward, stored in two different university buildings. This collection was known as the Power Gallery of Contemporary Art. The Museum of Contemporary Art, Sydney, was established in 1991. It rapidly outgrew its space and ran into financial difficulties that were alleviated in the early 21st century under new director Elizabeth and McGregor, who eliminated regular admission fees and diversified the museum's funding sources. After the proposed expansions failed, a design by local architect Sam Marshall met with sufficient approval to raise money for its construction. From 2010, the building underwent a major expansion and redevelopment, reopening in 2012 as the Museum of Contemporary Art Australia. Power's original intent was for the museum to exhibit contemporary art from all over the world, with work by Australian artists shown only if it was relevant to the other works. But its focus has since changed primarily to Australian contemporary art. The museum's collection contains over 4,000 works by Australian artists acquired since 1989. They span all art forms with strong holdings in painting, photography, sculpture, works on paper, and moving images, as well as significant representation of works by Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander artists. The museum runs programs to engage the interest of youth and disabled communities in appreciating and making art. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.